Yala.
Oh.
Coming here.
Yeah.
Oh, we have hotel na po.
Yeah.
No, the hotel is very cold, right? In Port?
Weather is cold. Water is cold.
Good.
What is cold?
Yes. Morning, how come mountain coming in very cold, huh? Right? Okay, then now we have...
Yeah.
But here, don't kill everything. Leave it.
Yes.
Yeah, really. Very nice view of Natia. Ako ni siyang amiga, guys. Taga-Russia ni siya. Buutan kayo ni.
Friend of Mark.
Yeah, this Fahad. Yeah, may swimming pool.
Yes.
Cool. Very cool. Very nice. Then you have video. Lakad-lakad lang kami. Dito sa loob lang ng building. Now you go to swim?
No.
Or you go to gym?
Gym.
Better we go to gym and then
No.
yeah, pool very cold. Oh my
Very cold.
God. This pool not very don't have one? This very cold.
Oh, cold.
Oh my
What
God.
is cold? Пойдем посмотришь. Пойдем. Пойдем
Cold,
посмотришь. Да, пойдем.
Tingnan namin yung swimming pool kaya malamig daw. Cold. Cold. Oh, cold. Yeah. Very cold. How come it's not in? Really very cold. Mama. Cold. Not warm.
Yes.
Then Marka is there also in the school.
Yes. Нет, сегодня он, по-моему, не идет.
Oh my God. So how come? Oh,
Yes.
problem.
Yeah.
Problem. My God. Very nice. No? Going back home.
Yeah.
Nice, very clear. Soroy-soroy lang mi kay bugnaw ang panahon. Bugnaw tapos nya man na mi. Coffee time.
Coffee time. Yes, coffee time.
Coffee time.
Come in.
Done.
Coffee time.
Coffee time. Oh, bye-bye.
Пока-пока.
Paka. Bye na.
Ага.
Bye.
Bye.
Now coffee time. Coffee time. Afternoon, you go with Mark in taekwondo.
No.
No, today, no?
No.
No go taekwondo.
Friday and Sunday.
Saturday or Sunday?
Сейчас, подожди.
Yala, coffee time.
Coffee time.
Coffee time. Very nice picture outside.
Вот, смотри.